This is Marian Matrovsky. He is a 60-year-old retired engineer and will be participating in testing the paper prototype. So the first thing you need to do is put away your mobile phone and laptop and clear the desk of any other clutter. Before you start the task, I need to remind you about what you need to do. You need to roleplay being a user sitting at your own computer who really just wants to complete the task as quickly as possible. You should act just like you would if you were doing it alone at home. It's very important that you focus on you being the user doing the task and not to comment on how to fix it or improve it for other users. Take your time to do the task any way you like. There's no right or wrong way. It's whatever way you would do it as a real user. I'll just be sitting here quietly, observing and taking notes as you navigate around. I need to know what you're thinking and feeling. So please try to comment and think aloud. Give your first impressions of each page. As you look around the pages, say what you're looking for. For example, which word you're hoping to find on a particular page. Let me know if you're missing anything or if anything's a bit unclear or confusing. It's important to tell me if you're not getting the information that you expect or if you have any questions. I may not be able to give you an answer in the real world, as you wouldn't have somebody sitting beside you to help you. When you decide to click on something, tell me the name of the link that you want to click and wait a couple of seconds before you click it so that I can write it down. Do you have any questions?
No, seems straightforward.
Okay, so here is your task. You need to create an account on the Brain and Body app and play a crossword puzzle whilst chatting with an invited user. When you're ready, please start the task from here, and please do whatever you would do if you were really doing this task from your own home. Okay.
Okay, I'm taking... So this allows me to create a new account or sign into an already created account because I haven't got a account. I'll press create account.
Okay.
This is fairly straightforward and is expected. The next page should actually show me how to create the account. In the create account, I have fields for my email address, a username, and a password that I will create here. So I'm pressing the link to the email to type the email address. And I'm typing my email address and going to the next field for the username, and I'm typing the username, then clicking the link to the password, typing the password, clicking confirm, and making sure that it is the same as the previous one, and click on the create button. I'm expecting to see that the account has been created, so some kind of confirmation after this page.
That's a very good point, and the confirmation should come. However, this is the next page in which you will be displayed.
Right, so on this page I can choose from a mental or physical activity. That's, I presume, the type of the game that I want to play. I'll choose the mental activity. Right, and this is basically a confirmation that I have selected a mental activity, which is fine. I don't see how I can progress. Where is the next button here on that page? Okay, so the next screen shows me a selection of games, and I need to choose the one that I want to play. It's not on this page, so I'm going further up, and the crossword appears on the second row of the page, I click on the crossword link, and it comes with an option to play with somebody or play alone. I choose to play with somebody, so I click on that link, and as expected, I see a list of contacts where pre-selected group of people have been displayed with their names underneath, but also with an option to add additional user. I choose to play with Eliza, or click on the link for her name.
Sure.
And the next page should actually get me to the game.
Okay.
Now, right, this is the crossword that I can play, although I do not see any information about the other player here. Maybe it shows up on her screen somewhere. So I play the crossword. This is the main application, and when it's finished, it actually goes to the next page, whether I want to play again or if I want to exit the application or the game. So I click no, I don't want to play again, and that's the end of it.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you.